So here we are again with another of our field kitchen recipes, another very straightforward dish. This is called Tuscan salad, and today we're going to make it with a kale called Red Russian, which although we do have sometimes available in the autumn, in the spring it makes a very soft leaf which has got a lovely subtle taste to it. Plenty of dishes you can cook with it. It's very tender, so if you're cooking with it you only just mildly steam it. Or sweat it with an onion or something. But today we're going to make this Tuscan salad, which, although we're using today Red Russian, we have also made this with curly kale or Calvinero black kale, which is also very straightforward to do it with. I'll just trace a few leaves and she can chop them up for me. So we're going to take the kale, which we've just rinsed, and we're just going to very lightly chop it, not too fine. But obviously don't leave it too chunky. If you've got really baby leaves, you can do this dish with whole leaves. You don't need to chop it down. But if they're just getting a little bit big, chop them down. So obviously, when it's on your plate, you can eat it without struggling with a big leaf hanging out the side of your mouth like so.
Sorry. So thank you. You'll also see this leaf in our winter salad mix. And in the spring, once the sun starts to shine a lot more and the day length is longer, it starts to get bigger and bigger and bigger until eventually it's much too big for salad. And we need to pull it out the tunnels because we're getting ready for planting peppers and tomatoes and things.
You drop that in there and juice me a lemon. So having chopped up our leaves, we're going to drizzle over with some oil. And it's not really a fixed amount, but maybe a tablespoon. And then Tracy's going to put me over half a lemon, pour that over the top. I'm going to add a bit of salt to it. And a little bit of freshly ground pepper. And give it a good mix up. Sort of massage all the juices together, get the leaves nicely coated so that obviously you get the flavours nicely mixed up. And there you have a very simple, straightforward Tuscan salad.
Job done. That is the best accompaniment to almost any dish. Really, really good for you.
You like that one, don't you?
I do like this one. We eat this most days in the spring.